Students, I am going to explain the parallel combination of the cell, and suppose E1 is the one of the cell and its internal resistance is R1, another cell of EMF E2 and internal resistance is R2, and positive plates of the two cells are combined at a point, and negative terminal of the cell is are combined at the point B, and between A and B an external resistance is connected, and suppose the current through this external resistance is R. Now I have to obtain the relation between the equivalent EMF and equivalent internal resistance. Now let's start. At first, what is the current distribution in this resistance? Suppose the current is I at this point B. Since current is steady, so rate of charge coming at this point is same as the rate of charge outgoing from this point, and hence the current in this arm is I1, then the current in this arm is I minus I1. And now I am going to take the loop A B D A B D A, and in this loop the total change in potential should be equal to 0, and I start the journey from this point A, and at the point A I am going to start the journey, and through this resistance there is a loss of potential, and so I am taking minus sign. This is IR, and again there is also a loss, so it is I minus I1 into R2, and E2 is the gain in the potential, so plus E2 is equal to 0, and hence it is the IR minus IR2 and plus I1 R2 plus E2 is equal to 0. This is the equation first. Now taking another loop, that is the A B C A, again the change in IR, and minus I1 R1 and plus E1 is equal to 0. This is the equation 2, and now multiply equation 1 with R1 and 2 with R2, and adding them we get minus I R R1 minus I R1 R2 plus I R1 R2 plus E2 R1 is equal to 0. In second, this is the I R R2 minus I1 R1 R2 plus E1 R2 is equal to 0, and adding we get plus minus is 0, and minus I R R1 minus I R R2 minus I R1 R2 plus E2 R1 plus E1 R2 is equal to 0. Here the minus sign of I minus I is common, so R and R is common from these two. R1 plus R2 and minus common, so it is plus R1 R2 is equal to minus E1 R2 minus E2 R1, and this minus multiply by minus 1 becomes positive, and then this I is equal to this is positive, sorry, this I is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R1 R2. Now dividing by R1 plus R2 in numerator as well as denominator, and thus this is the R1 plus R2 plus R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2, and hence it is E1 R2 plus E2 R1 divided by R1 plus R2 divided by R plus R1 R2 plus R1 plus R2. This is the net current I through this. The relation between the EMF of the cell and internal resistance and total current. Now suppose if we replace the two cells by a single cell, and it will provide the same current I to the same resistance, then this EMF will known as equivalent EMF of these two cells, and in this case we can say that I is equal to E equivalent divided by R plus R naught. Comparing these two relations, we can say that the R naught is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2, and EMF is equal to equivalent is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 by R1 plus R2. Now I am going to discuss the effect of this combination. Suppose the EMF of the two cells are equal, and it is equal to E, and internal resistance R1 is equal to R2 and R, means the cell are like, मतलब दोनों सेल अगर समान है, then in that case the E equivalent is equal to ER plus ER divided by 2R, and it is 2ER/2R and is equal to E। और एक बड़ा आश्चर्यजनक रिजल्ट है कि मैंने सेल तो 2 लिया लेकिन नेट ईएमएफ हमको एक ही मिला, एक सेल की ईएमएफ के बराबर। यानी in this type of combination, if you take a number of cell of the equivalent EMF, then you get the total EMF equal to the EMF of the one of the cell, and the internal resistance, this R0 is equal to R square, because R1 is equal to R2, so R square, and it is 2R, R plus R, 2R, so it is R by 2. Means the internal resistance will decrease by the number of cell used in the combination। जैसे मान लिया 10 सेल लिया तो टोटल इंटरनल रेसिस्टेंस क्या होगा, 10 टाइम्स कम हो जाएगा और ईएमएफ में कोई चेंज नहीं होगा। तो अगर आप इंटरनल रेसिस्टेंस कम करना चाहते हैं और ईएमएफ में कोई चेंज लाना नहीं चाहते हैं तो देन इट इज बेनिफिशियल टू यूज दिस टाइप ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशन। In the series combination, suppose there are the number of cells you have, the R by N, you can get the internal resistance. In the series combination, the internal resistance will increase by N times, but N is the number of cells, and EMF is also increased by the N times. This is the difference between the series and parallel combination.